There was a time when only humans could understand and comprehend complex information. However, in the 21st century, we have created technology that can surpass our own understanding. These systems can learn from the data we provide, generate new insights, and perform sophisticated analysis. Hello everyone, welcome back to New Tech Channel. Today we are exploring the captivating world of machine learning. If you're interested in how computers can learn from data and make decisions, you're in the right place. Let's begin. If we want to define machine learning in simple terms, we should say it's a science that teaches machines how to learn new things by themselves. You might wonder, why should machines learn by themselves? What benefit does it bring to us? Let's examine this statement with an example. Imagine we want to clean the floor of a room. When a human does this job, the quality of work can vary greatly because it depends on various factors. The likelihood of the person getting sick, getting tired after a few hours, or even trying to avoid work is quite high. But if we teach a machine to detect the dirt on the floor and start cleaning the surface based on the amount of dirt and the condition of the floor, the machine can do the job much better than a human. It won't get tired or risk getting sick. The machine in question should be able to answer these questions. When does the floor need cleaning? How long should the cleaning continue, and so on. Machine learning is a branch of artificial intelligence that allows systems to learn from data and improve their performance without being explicitly programmed. You may ask how it works. First, I tell you the process, then I will talk about its applications, then you will get it completely. Data collection is the first step. Collect initial data, which can include texts, images, videos, or numerical data. Then data processing. Clean and organize the data. This includes removing noise, filling in missing values, normalizing and transforming the data into usable format for algorithms. Data splitting is the next step. Divide the data into training sets and test sets. The training set is used to teach the model, while the test set is used to evaluate the model's performance. Next, model selection. Choose the appropriate algorithm to solve the problem. Different algorithms include regression, neural networks, decision trees, and many others. Model training. Use the training data and the chosen algorithm to adjust the model's parameters so it can learn patterns in the data. In this step, it is acting like a newborn baby. Model evaluation. Assess the model's performance using the test data. Various metrics like accuracy, error rates, and other criteria are used. Model optimization is for improving the system. Improve the model by tweaking parameters, optimizing the algorithm, and making other adjustments. Now your baby is not a baby anymore. Model deployments. Once the model achieves satisfactory accuracy, it can be used for real-world predictions and analysis. There are three main types of machine learning. First is supervised learning. The model is trained on labeled data, meaning the input comes with the correct output. For example, predicting house prices based on features like size and location. Second, unsupervised learning. The model tries to find patterns and relationships in unlabeled data. Clustering and dimensionality reduction are common techniques here. An example of unsupervised learning is market basket analysis. This technique uses algorithms to find associations between items that customers frequently purchase together. For example, it can reveal that customers who buy bread often also buy butter, helping retailers to optimize product placements and promotions. Deep learning. It's a branch of machine learning aims to reduce human intervention in AI algorithms by automating analysis for prediction. Unlike machine learning, which requires structured data and manual feature engineering, deep learning can handle unstructured data and determine its own criteria for categorization. For instance, a deep learning model can automatically classify images of trucks, buses and cars by learning features such as heights, lengths and shape. This makes deep learning particularly powerful for applications involving complex and unstructured data. As I promised, I'm gonna tell you some applications of machine learning. It helps you to understand its capabilities. Image recognition, used to identify objects, people and places in images. Whenever we upload a photo with our Facebook friends, then we automatically get a tagging suggestion with name, and the technology behind this is machine learning's face detection and recognition algorithm. Traffic prediction. If we want to visit a new place, we take help of Google Maps, which shows us the correct path with the shortest route and predicts the traffic conditions. It predicts the traffic conditions such as whether traffic is cleared, slow moving or heavily congested with the help of two ways. First, real-time location of the vehicle from Google Map applications and sensors. Second, average time has taken on past days at the same time. Everyone who is using Google Map is helping this application to make it better. It takes information from the user and sends back to its database to improve the performance. Product recommendations. E-commerce and entertainment companies like Amazon and Netflix use machine learning to recommend products and content based on user behavior. That's why they show your favorite products sometimes. It's not a miracle. Self-driving cars. Companies like Tesla use machine learning, particularly unsupervised learning, to enable cars to detect people and objects. I have made a video about self-driving cars in the New Tech channel. You can watch it. Email spam and malware filtering. Machine learning algorithms filter emails into important, normal and spam categories. Virtual personal assistants. We have various virtual personal assistants such as Google Assistant, Alexa, Cortana and Siri. As the name suggests, they help us in finding information using our voice instructions. These assistants can help us in various ways just by our voice instructions such as play music, call someone, open an email, scheduling an appointment and many others. These virtual assistants use machine learning algorithms as an important part. These assistants record our voice instructions, send it over to the server on a cloud and decode it using machine learning algorithms and act accordingly. Online fraud detection. Machine learning helps secure online transactions by detecting fraudulent activities. Stock market trading predicts stock market trends using algorithms like long short-term memory neural networks. Medical diagnosis. In medical science, machine learning is used for diseases diagnosis. With this, medical technology is growing very fast and able to build 3D models that can predict the exact position of lesions in the brain. It helps in finding brain tumors and other brain-related diseases easily. Last but not the least, automatic language translation. Looks like Google Neural Machine Translation or GNMT translates text between languages using sequence-to-sequence learning algorithms. Despite its potential, machine learning has some challenges. It faces several challenges, including the need for vast amount of high-quality data and ensuring data privacy and security. Models often suffer from overfitting and underfitting and can be difficult to interpret, especially complex ones like deep neural networks. A scalability bias and fairness are significant concerns, as is the time-consuming process of feature engineering. Hyperparameter tuning requires extensive experimentation, and deploying and maintaining models in production environments can be complex. Additionally, the rapid pace of advancements in machine learning necessitates continuous learning and adaptation. In the end, I can say that machine learning, with all its remarkable benefits, also carries potential risks. It can collect vast amounts of personal data and even predict societal trends, raising concerns about privacy and misuse. As we explore the incredible possibilities of artificial intelligence and machine learning, it's crucial to remain vigilant about how these technologies are applied and ensure they are used for the greater good. I hope you found this video informative and engaging. If you have any questions or topics you'd like me to cover in future videos, leave a comment below. Don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the notification bell to stay updated with my latest content. Thanks for watching.